We all look for smarter ways of doing things, don't we? When we are automating every other process, why not relocation? Relocation is one of the most stated reasons for offer dropouts. 80+ theft and financial frauds related to packers and movers are reported each day. And not only it hurts your employee experience, but hits the organization ultimately. Few of the prime corporate concerns while managing employee relocations are policy education of each employee every time, policy adherence and compliance, price variation in quotations, and reduced employee productivity. Now, it's time to make things easy with HappyLocate Enterprise tool. You can now manage end-to-end employee relocation in just 2 steps. Share new hire details, approve quotes, and that's it. And while you're tracking real-time relocations through your dashboard, you can be sure that your employees can see and book only what your policy allows them to. Now that you have 30+ authentic packers, movers, and more than 16,000 hotels pan-India at your disposal, your new hires can now raise relocation requests, get quotations online, share them for approval, make payments online to confirm booking, and enjoy a hassle-free relocation. Now that HappyLocate is here and your mail trails along with escalations are vanishing, you are not just a smart manager but a happy manager too. Manage end-to-end employee relocations just over clicks. It's not about automating and enhancing, but improving.